remember this video clip of our robots working together using our superior motion control? If we didn't impress you with that clip, how about this? What do you say? Have you ever seen an industrial robot moving with such outstanding motion control? As you can see, we've added another robot. We've also tightened up the tolerances. The distance between the cans and the pin has been reduced to an impressive 1 millimeter. And this isn't the limit of the robot path accuracy. It's the way the cans are mounted on the tray. How do we get this fantastic motion? By hours of programming? No way. Just program the path of combined straight lines and circles at normal, slow programming speed. Note the three robots moving together when the programmer uses the joystick on the Teach pendant. Then run the program in automatic mode up to full speed. This is our strength. The path is speed independent. We show this by